Hi everyone, welcome to DVS Math. Continuing triangles exercise 2.5. Let's move on to the next question, question number 11. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? Okay, observe here. First, you have to understand the directions. So here we have two directions. One plane is moving towards north, another plane is moving towards west. Okay, if you observe the directions, so here you can observe north, south, east and west. Okay, here only the observed two direction, one is north and another one is west. So if you consider an airport here, one is moving towards north at the speed of 1000 km per hour. Here they have not mentioned the distance, only they have given the speed. Okay, observe that. And another aeroplane, it is moving towards west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. So now what they are saying, we have to find the distance between these two. This means this distance, plane 1 and plane 2. We have to find the distance between plane 1 and plane 2 after 1.5 hour. So 1.5 hour. Okay, so now using the speed and time, first we have to find the distance between the distance of plane 1 from the airport and the distance of plane 2 from the airport. After that we can apply Pythagoras theorem. How to apply Pythagoras theorem? Here you can observe, one is moving towards north, another is moving towards west. Definitely the angle between them is 90 degree. Yes, if it is 90 degree, it will be the right angle triangle. We can use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so let's start. So first let us write the given, that is speed of north flying aeroplane, or that means a plane which is flying towards north, it is 1000 km per hour, and speed of west flying, or the plane which is flying towards west, it is 1200 km per hour. What to find here? We have to find the distance between the two planes after 1.5 hours, or you have to find BC. You have to find BC now. So let's start. Solution. So first let us understand the question clearly. So we have to take, first let us take a point A, which is an airport. Okay, from this airport, one plane, let us consider it is moving towards north. Let us consider it as AB. Okay, one plane. So let us consider it as distance AB, where the speed is 1000 km per hour. Next, from the same airport A, another aeroplane, it is moving towards west. So let us consider it as C. Okay, and the speed it is 1200 km per hour. Now we have to find the distance between these two planes after 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours. So it is in mixed fraction, right? 1.5. So we have to convert that into to the improper, that is it will be 3/2. 1.5 can be written as 3/2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1, 3/2. So let's start. So we know that speed here, as they have given the speed and time, but we don't know the distance, right? So how to find the distance using speed and time? We have one formula, that is speed is equal to distance by time, which we use in physics, right? The same formula, but we have to find the distance. So distance is equal to speed into time. So let us substitute. Let us consider AB. AB let us find. So AB is equal to, what is the speed of that? 1000 into 1.5. Time it is 1.5. So it can be written as 3/2. So 2 ones are 2, 5 hundreds are 5 threes are 15. So it is 1500 km. That means the distance between AB, it is 1500 kilometer. 1500 kilometer. Then let us find AC now. AC means 1200 to 1.5. So 1200 into 3/2. So 2 ones are 600s are 6 threes are 18. So it is 1800 kilometer. That means the distance between AC, it is 1800 kilometer. 1800 kilometer. So you got AB and AC. Now you have to find BC. So it is very simple, using Pythagoras theorem, as A is 90 degree. Okay, so using Pythagoras theorem, which is the hypotenuse, it is BC. BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. So let us substitute BC square as it is. What is AB? We got 1500 square plus what is AC? It is 1800 square. So BC square, it is, we will get 1500. So it is very simple. Make it here what they have given. So it is 1500 square, right? 1500. So 1500 square. What is 15 square means? You know that it is 225. Okay, 2 zeros becomes 4 zeros. It is very simple. Don't how it is 1500, how to square it is. It is very simple. Just to find the square root of 15, that is 225. So if you square 2 zeros, it becomes 4 zeros. Write it as it is. Next, what is 18 square? 324. So again 324 zeros. If we add lakh 90,000, so 54 lakh 90,000. So here you have to find the, what we have to say, the factors you have to find factors, or you can generally you can write it as here. If you observe, look here, if you find the factors, so 3 into 3 61, 100 into 100. So you know that 100 square, it is 100 square, it is nothing but 10. So here 3 square, it is 3. 100 into 3, it is 300. So 61 you keep it as it is, so it becomes root 61. So 361 kilometer. Or you can stop here only. You can stop here only. Square root of 549,0040, you can stop here only. But to make it as very simple, you have to find the factors. You have to find the factors and substitute it. You will get 100 square and 3 square. So if you bring from outside the square root, it becomes 3 into 100. So 3 into 100, it is 300. So 61, it is not a perfect square. Keep it as it is. So 300 root 61 kilometer, the distance between the two planes after 1.5 hours. So this is about question number 11. So in this session only, I am going to discuss about question number 12, which is similar to the question number 11. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meters stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. So here you can observe in the figure, one pole, it is AB, which is 6 meter height, another pole CD, which is 11 meter height. So now the distance between their feet means bottom. If you observe the bottom, so it is 12 meter. Now they are asking to find the distance between their tops. Here the top is B and the top is D. If you join those two, you will get the distance between that BD. Okay. So for that, we have to do one small construction. That is very simple. We have to take line BE perpendicular to DC. Line BE perpendicular. That means if one pole, it is AB, which is 6. Another pole, it is CD, which is 11. So from, and you know that AC, it is 12. From this B, we have to take one perpendicular BE, which is perpendicular to CD. Why we took perpendicular? Because here the bottom AC is perpendicular, right? So same wise, we have to take BE as perpendicular, which is for CD. Then you join this BD. Okay, now we have to find this BD. Before that, let us observe the figure. So if meter, right, AC is 12 meter, definitely BE is also 12 meter because both are perpendicular to CD, So just you write it as BE is equal to AC is equal to 12 meter. Then if you observe the hole, that is CD, this CD, so whole CD is 11 meter, right, 11 meter. If you observe AB and EC both are equal to 6 meter. If AB is 6 meter, definitely CE is also 6 meter. So just you write that one. AB is equal to EC is equal to 6 meter. Now if you observe the whole CD, you can, if you want to find DE, you have to minus DC minus EC. Just you observe the figure. So what is the total length of the pole 2? That is DC, 11. What is EC? It is 6. So 11 minus 6, it is 5 meter. So what you got here? 5. So now here E is 90 degree, right? E is 90 degree. So now BE is 12 meter, DE is 5 meter. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, you will get BD, right? So thus same here. So here 90 degree, that is E is 90 degree, write it as E is 90 degree. So now we got this, it is a right angle triangle now, this is 5. So now applying Pythagoras theorem, that is, as you all know, hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. So what is hypotenuse? It is BD. So height it is DE, base it is BE. So let us substitute 5 square plus 12 square. 5 square it is 25 plus 12 square it is 144. So if we add those two you will get 169. So if we take square root of 169, definitely it is 13. Directly from this step you can write it as BD is equal to 13. Or to understand, make it clear, so you can write it as 13 into 13. 13 into 13 you can write it 13 square. So square root cancel. So BD is equal to 13. So what is the distance between the top of the pole? It is 13 meters. Okay, this is how you have to find. So first you have to understand the question. By understanding, you have to write the figure. By observing the figure, substitute the given in the formula and simplify it. Okay, this is about question number 12. For more exercise questions, subscribe my channel. Keep watching. Thank you.